Road bridge, and which this is the entry place. This is a natural to village in India. Oh hi! This is Church of Independence. Border. To grab something. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday we went to Police Bazaar, to the same restaurant that we went the day before to have dinner, but then because of Christmas it was full packed. They didn't allow us to go in. It was fully packed. So yeah, we went from restaurant to restaurant because Christmas के लिए बहुत भीड़ था, कहीं पे भी सीट नहीं था. So we had to like roam around, and then finally we got a restaurant, but then we had to wait for so long over there. Like we were waiting and waiting, and then we had to roam around for like 2.5 hours nearly, and then finally at 11 o'clock around we got the food. So it was a real struggle yesterday. So yeah, right now we are in Ravindra Tigger's house, and wow, so nicely decorated. So this is where Rabindranath Tagore is used to live. Can you see under? I don't guess. I think that we are not allowed to go in. This is Rabindranath Tagore's mirror. So pretty. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's good. We found an interesting thing. See, here there's a book, and here literally like people, the tourist writes here. See, these are all written by tourists. 21. So you can also write to Kavi Guru. Right? See, dear Kavi Guru, I was in Shillong before, but never got a chance to visit this beautiful mountain place. You can read. You can pause and read. This is Rahul Haldar. He's also from Kolkata, and he's written in. One of the best part of this place is it's really nicely maintained, and but problem is like ये ना उतना famous spot नहीं है. Like for us, we are crazy. Like Bengalis, mostly Bengalis come here. So people like there was another tourist who said like the taxi even doesn't know कि यहाँ पे ये है. Like they are like this is a private property, and no one comes here. And even our driver was like कि Ramindranath Thakur Mandir, like it's a mandir. It's not. It's like a house. So people are not aware of this thing also. Like this is not a very famous tourist place. So which is sad, I think. Like this should be, because it is really well maintained, which I see. Like it's the interior is good. Like we saw it from outside, we didn't get to go inside, but this is not that famous. Like people don't know about it, which is sad. Now we are going to Latlam. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Latlam Canyon, and we stopped by because the view is amazing. Like over there we'll go, there's more amazing. It's we have reached the place, and oh my god, it's too cold. It's too cold. but the view is amazing. The road was too steep, and normally like you have to like people will not normally take you. Okay, तो तुमको बोलना पड़ेगा कि I want to go to this place because it's like बहुत दूर है from the main city, and it's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. Like the view from here is amazing, and the view that you're gonna get while coming also it's great. See, but in early November the weather is much better and it's too cold right now. And would I recommend? Definitely, like definitely if you can, do come here because the view I'll show you once I go there. Like it's amazing, and रास्ता भी बहुत अच्छा है, and it's pretty. Here it's so cloudy and see that mountain. Oh, I wish कि यहाँ था. It's too cold here. The view is amazing. It's so deep. Look at this, guys. It's too deep and it's too beautiful. But I'm still jealous of that. I wish sunlight इधर होता. Now we are having some pahari momos. We had one plate momo and now उसमें उधर खत्म हो गया momo. So now we are here in the next restaurant and we are having restaurant. We are in this cafeteria and we will have Maggie, plain Maggie because egg Maggie is also khatam. This is the view from here. Having Pahari Maggie. Now we are here at this church. I forgot the name, but this is a very big church here. ये boundary है, इसमें जाना है. And yeah, and trust me guys, one thing like that point where we went, Latrilum Canyon, I guess. So please check the spelling and please go there. Like it was not in our itinerary, but then we searched and we were like we want to go there, so we told our driver that and we went there. So please go there because the place is amazing. We spent most of the time there. Like it was not planned today we'll go there, but we went and we spent a lot of time and the view was amazing. So it started raining. We had Maggie and Momo and it started raining. It was so chilly right there. And now we are going. Actually, more than cold, it's windy, so you feel all the more cold. So we are back at this restaurant. We're so happy. Like yesterday we came, it was fully booked. We couldn't go inside, and we are now back. I really hope they have seats. Close. Oh my God! Yesterday we entered from here. Now he's saying to go from the front. Okay. Good. Much needed. Everywhere there is space का issue. So now again here there are no seats. So maybe we will wait for a bit. One second. We are entering from a different side now. This is the same restaurant but a different entrance, and this looks pretty shadi wala feeling. We have finally got a sit and we have ordered and waiting for the food to arrive. So our lunch is done. We had biryani and yeah, this restaurant is really very cute. We had waffles again. That's the plate. We had waffles again because it's so damn tasty. But this time it was quite like it was a little hard, but whatever, it's fine. This looks so. See, actually portam. See, actually portam. Oh my god. And I can't get over this place. It is. We so wanted to come yesterday for Christmas dinner, but then it was all booked. See, you can have vegetables from here also. No, you will be fine. You will be fine. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday we went to that restaurant. We had like lunch, I will say dinner plus lunch because it was evening already. So after coming back to hotel, I didn't have anything else, and then after having that lunch, so-called lunch, we went to the police bazaar and we shopped. So I didn't vlog that because it was like hectic. We are going from here to there, so we shopped and it's a really nice place, police bazaar, to shop. So yeah, that is it. We came back home and today we are leaving. Tomorrow we have a flight. So today we are leaving to Guwahati and we'll do maybe some sightseeing. So yeah, that is the plan for today. And today I'm wearing, oh, Papa was calling, so that's why the video got cut. So yeah, that is it. Now I'm wearing my Christmas outfit. This is what I was supposed to wear on Christmas, but then it was too cold. So I thought like I wore something more heavy. So that's why I didn't wear it. So I'm wearing it today.